Oh, beneath the midday sun so bold and bright, Mallacoota's shores gleaming golden light. I soared above the point where the whitecaps roll, where Tannin streams weave through the ocean's soul. Oh, Mallacoota, the tide moves slow, drifting like whispers where the sea breezes blow. The lake and ocean, they dance and collide, brushing the shore with a painter's stride. Betka Beach hums with a tale untold, where the winds weave stories through dunes of gold. A place where the sky leans close to the sea, and time moves soft like the breath of a dream. Oh, Mallacoota, the tide moves slow, drifting like whispers where the sea breezes blow. The lake and ocean, they dance and collide, brushing the shore with a painter's stride. A summer's day where freedom runs free over Mallacoota, so wild as the sea. Tannin's dark waters, they murmur and sigh, like echoes of stories beneath southern skies. The breakers crash where the headland stands tall, carving their verses in sandstone walls. The greens of the fairways stretch calm and wide as boats drift silent with the turning tide.